just on our way to Monkey Bay, and we've just passed a car accident. Looks like a truck has rolled off into a ditch around a corner. It's not the first time it's happened on this road, and it doesn't look like anyone was too hurt, but it's not something you see every day.
Hi there, we are Matt and Nat. The first half of 2020 threw us a curveball.
After 48 hours, we will move to level 4.
When we had to return home to New Zealand after travelling to the beautiful tropical paradise known as Bali, where we got engaged. In the following months of pandemic and lockdown, we decided to start vlogging our beautiful home country. Our adventures have taken us to some pretty amazing places in our home region of Marlborough. We've explored a shipwreck, hiked to a famous lighthouse, fed ourselves on gorgeous local cuisine, and even stayed in a cute little wine barrel cabin.
Welcome to Monkey Bay. Wow.
So I'm not sure about going down here at the moment. It's a bit slippery and really dark, and the dog pulls. So what I might do is get Matt, you hold on to her. Let me go down first.
All right.
Hopefully I don't fall and break my phone. Oh shit, it's already...
Do you want to take the camera?
No, because I've just slipped already.
All right. Careful. All right. How dark is it? Whoa!
You right?
Yeah, she's just pulls like a mom.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna get my phone out like that. Girl, just wait.
Put some light on.
0 still.
Come on, Kiki.
Sure. Hang on, Matt, just put it down here. You alright?
Yep.
That's a big step.
I feel like we're in the Goonies.
Yes.
Whoa. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. We're here.
Just wait. Look, 1 minute you don't want to come, then you...
So we're just in these caves at the moment. It's pretty dark. Kira's getting a little bit spooked. So we don't know how far we're going to go, but according to local Maori law, there was once a taniwha that lived in these caves, and a taniwha is like a sea creature, a mythological sea creature that apparently ate the daughter of one of the chiefs in the tribes that used to live around here. So it's a bit cool. I will provide some more information on that.
We're getting into full-on mud here,
Yeah.
because I can't actually see where I'm going.
I wonder where my light is. That's... Wow. Ah, cool. Thugs have been here.
Yeah. I think we might stop, Matt, because I don't want to go too far in. I'm a bit of a sook.
I mean, if we'd known that these caves were here, we'd come here with a headlamp or something. Hello!
You're in trouble if someone answers you.
What if there's treasure down here? That'd be cool.
What's your head?
Watching.
Oh, it just keeps going. I don't want to go any further. But I keep saying that and then I go further. I'm not getting on my hands and knees, so I'm sorry, it's all wet and muddy. And that's how you have to get through there. Kira's the only one small enough to get through. Short enough, I should say, so. Let her go.
Whew. Oh yeah.
Wait, Kiki. Kira, wait.
Wow. So that was an interesting little trip into a dark, dark cave. Wasn't expecting to do that today. But you never know, when you go off the beaten path, you find some interesting things. Just dragging her leash behind her. Just out here getting some awesome shots. Natalie's run up ahead with Kira, so I'm gonna jump down and catch up with them. Here they are, I've caught up to them.
Yep. Kira's just too excited. She thinks there's monkeys out here. So here we are on our way to Monkey Bay, but just to sort of put things into perspective as to where we are. The other week we went out to the Cape Campbell Lighthouse. It is all the way out there. So. What? And from this point on a clear day, you can see right across to the North Island. Obviously not so clear today, but
this is Monkey Bay. So the reason that this place is called Monkey Bay is apparently in the 19th century there was reportedly a monkey living in the bay somewhere. I don't know if there was a pet or not. That is all the information we have on it. Perhaps other people know about anything, and I am tripping over rocks right now. It's very hard. Kids, don't vlog and walk over rugged terrain at the same time.
I got it!
Health and safety tip number 2. What have you found over there?
Kira's a bit scared.
Sorry?
Kira's a little bit scared with the noise.
It's a cave.
Yeah, the tide's coming in through there, so.
Just finished getting some photos for the gram up here, now that we're professional models and all.
Shut up!
You can see I'm standing on a massive rock here. How do I get down?
Like that. Like, give me the camera first, and then you try and dip down without me falling over as well. Oh, as always, so elegant. Let's go.
So, interesting fact about this place, Monkey Bay is out at RARANGI, which is just north of Blenheim. And this place has been used for all sorts of recreational activities since the 1920s, when the first batches started appearing out here. Also, it was a well-known spot for whaling. When whaling was at its peak in the 1830s, it was not uncommon to see a lot of whaling boats go out there, and you can still find remnants of their fishing hooks and all sorts of equipment. Really good. So what do we do when we're finished exploring caves and walking out to Monkey Bays? We grab ourselves some beers and we jump in the spa. See you there. Whew. As promised, beer and spa. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Now, if you thought this video was tight, leave us a like. This ain't no bribe. Please subscribe. And hey, what the hell?
Ding that bell.
And we'll catch you again in the next one. Bye.
Bye.